Let's explore DesignPLUS. On the modules page, open a canvas page, and then click on the edit button. If the sidebar opens automatically, that's good. Otherwise, click on the launcher or Alt-Shift-D. And in the DesignPLUS sidebar, you have about 2 or 3 tabs that you'll be using. One is currently is showing the accessibility. And from here, the edit current element. Let me expand the window a little bit. And then on the edit toolbar, let's replace the icon. Again, on the edit tab, click on the icons tool, and then search for an icon, and then click the one that you like, and then notice that it is replaced. And let's take a look at the expander. So that is the first part of the expander. You can see the sidebar content is showing the contents of the header of each section. Again, you are looking at the edit bar and expander section for each expander tabs. Here's a way you can duplicate it, and then you can edit the title. Let's take a look at the preview. This is a great tool to see how the changes in the sidebar will be rendered once it is saved. From the edit window, it doesn't show the change until it is saved, but the preview can show you the outcome. Here, I just deleted the one that I just added, and now I'm moving that particular panel to the up, and so you can see in the preview the edit window shows the tips for success is at the bottom. Now I'm showing you how to select a default open section. You can see the green bar that's indicating it's the default. So when the page is open, that introduction section is automatically opened. Again, I'm using the edit section. Now let's take a look at the styles. You can switch between and among the tabs or bars or vertical tabs and so on. So right now, I changed that to vertical tabs from horizontal bars. So once I save it, I can see the change. Let's go back to edit. And I'm going to revert the style back to the original expander style. And you can see that in the preview, it has changed. Now I'm going to add a sub-tabs under that bar in the same section, within the existing section. So I'm clicking on the Add tab, and then click on Tab, and it added a couple of panels within that lectures section. I'm going to cut that section, the line, and then paste it into the header of the panel. Paste it here. Again, I'm just simply copying or cutting and pasting. Notice that I'm on the Edit tab, not the Add tab. I'm going to add more panels by clicking on the plus sign. And I'm going to continuously cut and paste into the panel heading. So once you start using it, you'll get used to in navigating the sidebar. Again, I'm using the Edit tab or panel, and then I find the particular element, such as tabs. And now I'm going to check out different styles. I'm going to choose the vertical tab, and here's a preview. The preview is not necessarily rendering 100% correctly, but you get the idea. Of course, you can copy and paste the panel content eventually. Let's go ahead and save it. And here's the page, and then under the lecture, you can see that newly added vertical panels. Thank you.